The monsoon is here. But Sunny Leone and Randeep Hooda seem to be having a great time playing in the water indoors. Wondering what am I saying? Well, buddies, you heard me absolutely right. Pooja Bhatt's Just to lead sexy hot pair are having a rollicking and frolicking fun time in the shower as they get wet and naughty. The images of the movie were released earlier on net this week, where we spotted Sunny in a shocking two-piece itsy-bitsy bikini while the half-naked, draped in a towel Mr. Hooda was seen playing around with this steamy lady. The two then do what you see them to do before a certain butt lady shouts, "Cut!" Job well done. Mr. Hooda is like the hunk in this movie being perfectly casted by Miss Bhatt, the director. पूजा मैडम बॉलीवुड फीचर के नाम पे आप कौन तो बनाने नहीं चाहती?